Welcome to the Sun and Aurora forecast. Today is an active day, with M-class flares possible. Active region 4,513 lies 4 degrees north and 47 degrees east of disk center. It covers 200 millionths of the solar disk and contains 18 sunspots. Its Macintosh class is EAC, and its magnetic class is BG. It produced no flares during the past day. Active region 4,515 lies 8 degrees south and 58 degrees east of disk center. It covers 40 millionths of the solar disk and contains 1 sunspot. Its Macintosh class is HSX, and its magnetic class is A. It produced no flares during the past day. Active region 4,508 lies 9 degrees north and 69 degrees west of disk center. It covers 20 millionths of the solar disk and contains 2 sunspots. Its Macintosh class is BXO, and its magnetic class is B. It produced no flares during the past day. Active region 4,516 lies 16 degrees north and 22 degrees west of disk center. It covers 10 millionths of the solar disk and contains 4 sunspots. Its Macintosh class is CRO, and its magnetic class is B. It produced no flares during the past day. We see 5 active regions visible on the disk. These groups contain 27 individual sunspots. The estimated sunspot number is 77 and the radio flux is 126 SFU. The current GOES X-ray level is C1.7. The most recent flare was a C4.0 event. Over the last 24 hours, there were 3 C-class and 1 M-class flare. Today's chance for an M-class flare is 40% and for an X-class flare is 10%. And here is the strongest flare of the past 24 hours. We have footage of an M1.7 event seen by NASA SDO across its ultraviolet channels. The solar wind speed is 431 kilometers per second with a density of 3.17 protons per cubic centimeter. The magnetic field is 5 nanoteslas with a BZ component of 1 nanoteslas. The current planetary K-index is 0.67. The highest K-index measured over the last 24 hours was 2. The highest K-index expected in the hours ahead is 3.3. Auroral power is 16 gigawatts in the northern hemisphere and 16 gigawatts in the southern hemisphere. Today expects a highest K-index of 3.3 with a 40% chance of M-class and 10% chance of X-class flares. Sunday expects a highest K-index of 3 with a 40% chance of M-class and 10% chance of X-class flares. Monday expects a highest K-index of 1.7 with a 40% chance of M-class and 10% chance of X-class flares. These are expectations, not measurements. NASA SDO AIA at 17.1 nanometers reveals bright coronal loops tracing magnetic fields in the Sun's upper atmosphere. At 30.4 nanometers, SDO AIA highlights prominences above the limb and long dark filaments crossing the solar disk. The 19.3 nanometer AIA view maps the hot corona, while darker areas can mark coronal holes with open magnetic fields. AIA at 13.1 nanometers is the flare watch channel, emphasizing extremely hot plasma in newly energized active regions. NASA SDO HMI shows the photosphere in visible light, where today's sunspot groups appear as dark structures across the solar disk. The HMI magnetogram maps opposite magnetic polarities, exposing the complex fields surrounding the active regions. SOHO LOSCO C2 blocks the bright solar disk to reveal the inner corona and material moving away from the Sun. The wider LOSCO C3 view follows the outer corona and provides a broad watch for coronal mass ejections traveling into space. Tonight's aurora forecast plays on a rotating night-side Earth. The real ovation probability oval glows over the map, and significant cities are marked with their aurora chance and local time for each universal time hour. In the north, the best chances stay around Fairbanks, central Scandinavia, Iceland, and northern Canada, near 63 degrees north geomagnetic latitude. The strongest overnight window falls around 03 universal time. Now the same night over the southern hemisphere. In the south, aurora should remain near the Antarctic coast and subantarctic islands, around 63 degrees south geomagnetic latitude. Current hemispheric power reads north 16 gigawatts and south 16 gigawatts. The ovation oval peaks near 15% in the north and 18% in the south. The sun stands 1.012 astronomical units away today. Its light takes 8.4 minutes to reach us. Solar cycle 25 is declining from its maximum around August 2024. That is all from the sun today. Subscribe for your daily space weather briefing and for the weather on Mars.